Open the LiveView from Extensions menu. You can add items by this and add folders here. I right-click on the folder. Change the folder's name and select Apply. I want to create a project, so I insert my project's name. OK. Now I set the picture preview. You can select JPEG, PNG, SVG and GIF file for your picture preview. Now I set the video preview which I prepared. We recommend you to use small size video. This size is perfect. When you hover the pointer on the folder, you can see the preview. Now click on Projects Info. You can add your icon, your name as author of this project, and a link to your work. This link and icon will appear in all of the folder of your project and will help your works to see better. OK. We will save it. Check it again. Fine. You can add too many files in your project without decreasing speed. As you see the picture preview, project name, icon, author name and link shows here. The links helps your audience to find you faster. Rename folder. And insert your project's item from here. You can set picture preview and video preview for each item. Importing items are very simple and useful for big packs. You can add help guide for each item. And this HTML code helps you to create good document for your audience. Also, you can create too many folders and import many packs as you want. And you can collect this project from here. I will test it in the test folder. As you see the project collected and a readme.html file generated for your project, which helps to work with this project simpler. Your project picture and links and help to install LiveView included in here. File collected and rename it. If your file have asset like After Effects project footage, include them into here. Everybody can import your project by selecting this file. For the example, I will import it from here and select the list.liveview file. That's all the thing you need to manage your project. LiveView is the completely free extension and everybody can download it and use it. Also, we give you a license to include the extension in your project. Have a good time.